Dear sir, are you born in the zodiac sign of the Sagittarius as the ascendant? Is the Mercury in the ascendant in your horoscope? If so, as the Lord of the 10th house, the Mercury is in the ascendant in your horoscope, whatever business you do, you would become famous in that. Your prestige will go up and up, will become higher and higher. Your status will be very greater, and new business opportunities will come automatically to you in search of you. You will become a great entrepreneur. The Mercury in the Sagittarius as the ascendant, great Mercury entrepreneur.